Hello and welcome! Do you also want to create a tracking page like this one? Let's jump into this video and find how you can add tracking page. From the Shipturtle's dashboard, go to the Settings section, look for multi-vendor settings. Move to the Customize website, and then add a Track Your Order page and generate template code. Copy the generated code, and now shift to your Shopify store. Go to the Sales channel followed by Online Store. Here you will find Action button. From there go to Edit Code. From here a new Add Template and select Pages, after which you can select Liquid and name the page and save. Now paste the code and then click on Save. After returning to the home page, go to the Sales channel followed by Online Stores and then go to the Pages section. And then Add Page, and in the Template section select the named file as tracking page. Now add the title and description as per your need and make that page visible and save. Now that your tracking page is created, go to the Content page. Go to the Menu section and then Main Menu here. Go to Add Menu Item and add Label, which will be shown on the website, and now select the page and under that the page that was created and click on Save. Now your tracking page is live and visible to users. Thank you for watching.